Your Toyota Highlander key fob from 2014 to 2019 uses a CR2032 battery. When the remote stops working, replacing the battery is the first step. The battery typically lasts 2 to 4 years, but extreme temperatures can shorten its life. If the remote isn't working, you may see issues such as low battery voltage, below 2.5 volts, or poor contact due to corrosion. Start by obtaining a new CR2032 battery, available at most retailers for $1 to $3. Then let's move on to opening the key fob case. First, locate the small gap or button on the edge of the key fob. Use a plastic pry tool or a coin to gently pry open the case. Avoid metal tools to prevent scratches. Once open, note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up, and remove it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the key fob functions: lock, unlock, panic button. If the remote still doesn't work, check for debris or corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean with isopropyl alcohol. If problems persist, attempt to reprogram the key fob by cycling the ignition, insert key, turn to on, press lock button on fob, or visit a dealer for professional reprogramming.